Coming up on Babyyeetee's diary. So I'm done with Nothing's funny. My head, we don't move. Is it too early or what? Look, I haven't tried to zoom for you. Here you see. Guys, welcome back to yet another day of the vlog. I look so pretty as always. Welcome back to another day, another dola, another vlog. We're even going, I'm not allowed like to vlog, like really vlog. So I didn't what must I do now? But I need wait.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You have to hurry up.
No, I'm not going in.
Oh,
yeah. Thank you. What was I saying? No, I was like, wait. Did you just hear me speak Afrikaans like I just spoke Afrikaans like nobody's business. But I don't figure they're gonna shout at me, say, girl this, girl that. Why would late? But we're gonna deal with that when we get there, cause ooh, okay. There we go. The lighting is gone now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, when I was adjusting the light. Either way, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, I'm a girl, Babyyytee, the baby with the triple Y, the T was Zawi. Hey, before you get into the video of the video, please I'm late. Before you get into the video of the video, please click on the red subscribe button, give us a very big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Oh, and don't forget to ring that bell, turn on those post notifications so that you're notified every time I drop and a video. This is Babyyeetee's diary. Dit is 'n mooi dag and ek voel lekker, man. I hope you're feeling lekker wherever you are and you feel like good and as pretty as you can be, you know. And yeah, I just hope you enjoy this. I have this acid reflux, like I'm gonna have pain from yesterday. Like I ate around was it 11 yesterday because of andile. I freaking forgot where am I going. Okay. Hi guys, updating you. I think last time I spoke to you was when I came here, so I'm done with my work. I just presented, imagine, unprepared. I see, say hi. She's our popcorn lady. Ona is busy eating popcorn. She's gonna finish everything. They're still trying to figure out what movie we're gonna watch. Tato, is the movie nice?
Tomorrow. I'm so done with this place, y'all.
Especially this year. This year.
The year just started.
It's enough. How was it?
So think of it. There's still semester 2. Stored in a dry, cool place.
Man, busy with my popcorn. My popcorn is open. Ano ba tayo?
Somebody make up the stay.
When?
I don't mute.
Ati siya kukunin niya lang.
Why are they mistreating this kid?
Hi guys, we're at the airport. Every time I do this and this, I'm very early. I'm very early. Anyways, anyhow. Yeah, basically that's me. This is me. Taxi, Uber driver. Yo, no, Uber drivers, you guys need to speak to us. Johannesburg. Bumnandas. Bumnan like go peaceful. Hi guys, we're at the cafe getting some matcha before we leave. Nice to say hi. The last time, she was scared to ask me for a She was scared.
Sometimes I get in my feelings. Sometimes I know I be tripping. Wondering if you even know this bitch for real. Learning that you screw this bitch for real. Baby on a groovy song.
I feel like I like it because I pursue it. Me too. I think so. Done.
I know you better. That ain't mad at my nigga. Mad at the fact he ain't with you. Mad at the fact that it's
Probably they got something. Hi. We just left. Now it's time for me to go to my own place. Because my flight is a bit later on. OMG. Hey guys, this is my today. My phone doesn't have storage anymore, and I'll show you something. My new iPad pouch. My iPad. I'm gonna sit here and wait for my time to check in. My boarding. No, I've already checked in to go to the boarding gate. Yeah, because it's at 10:25 and the time now is 11. My iPad feels different. Right. So it's 9:49. See, now I use like different lights. I'm gonna take pictures. Oh, I'm so sad. I left my glasses back at my room. Like, I literally remember it now. But it's fine. At least I have some in my suitcase. I didn't wear these because my piercing is so freaking painful. But it's a bit better. No, I can't put this for too long because it's so painful. But yeah. My flight is a bit delayed, but we are leaving now.
You'll also benefit from bonus miles
Oh,
and
look at
unpacking
that.
tickets.
Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my focus.
Other benefits include preferential
I'm just gonna pick up and yeah. I'm just gonna pick up and then yeah, I'll be done, I think. Yeah, but I'm done unpacking. Let me show you. See. Ugh. See? I have my pants right there and then my tops and then isn't those toiletries and then my dresses and skirts and then my shoes down there. Yeah. We are done now. There's a lot of cupboard space. There's a lot of storage here. Like there's a lot of storage. Akukho izinto zami zonke bese sibuya la. Singanela kusale space. Because like there's a lot of space. There's a lot of space. But picks up being home. Anyways, I'm home and yeah, see you when I see you. See you on the flip side. It's your girl Babyyytee, the baby with the triple Y. The T with the double E. So guys, like I got spectacles. I thought I'm gonna make me nice, but yeah, anyways, they look good on me, right? I know. And then they bought me these earrings. So Babyyytee bought me this earring. So you need to be a good person to Babyyytee so that you're going to get these. I am a good person to her, so that's why I got these. Like I got even spectacles, and I got a couch. Let me show you like my couch. I don't know if you're going to see, but yeah, a pouch for my phone, you know. So yeah, right now she's talking to her best friend Tiamo, and yeah, they're update you about my life and her life, what is happening like currently. Yeah, so Babyyytee is here at home, and tomorrow I'm writing accounting that is going to kill me. But no one formed against me shall prosper. I'm going to pass that accounting test tomorrow. Out of 115 is going to be paper 2, and then we left with one paper. Yeah, economics paper 2. So that's going to be way. And I'm writing tomorrow, which is the 12th. And I'm going to also write on the 18th of July, my last paper for June exams. Oh guys, I look good. Or is this like okay, bye y'all. Hello, bonjour. Hello, what's your money? Hello. Hello, what's your money? Hello. Bye. Hello, hello to everybody. Hello. Bye y'all.